So this is a five panel systems. It generates about 200 volts, and we have a ground wire. We have a series hookup, and this bar is to you need to unload these bolts, 8 bolts, and you could tilt it according to the month. You can tilt it the degree that you want. I prefer no farmers coming over here and touching anything.
Okay.
The manager could maybe come and turn it off if we have something break, a pipe break or something in there.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, like as far as the farmers, they just come and turn the nozzle and the water comes out.
I see. So this is only in emergency situations that we turn off that switch.
Yep.
Okay. Otherwise, leave it on.
Right.
Good.
The power comes through here. That comes into that box. That box controls the pumps. And here we have the pressure switch hookups. You got a check valve. The water comes in, goes out. The only way to really shut off this is turn off the power, or I have 2 valves here. This shut off all the water. And then if you just want to use this, turn that on, turn this off, and then the water is on.
Okay, so the shut-off valve is that red valve down there?
Yep.
Okay.
So if you just want to use this for washing or whatever, just turn this off, turn that on, and that'll go. This one should be off, and then that should be on.
Oh, I see. Okay.
now
So if we want water to come out here, okay.
Yeah, if you turn it on. Yeah, the water is
Now the pump's running.
Yeah. It's not gonna kick off until you run about 60 gallon or so.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. When the pressure dropped to about 30 psi.
Or maybe we try this one.
Yeah. Then the pump will kick off. Right now it won't kick off.
I see.
Yeah. It's big. It's got a little iron in the pipe right now.
Yeah.
So when you guys are ready to use, just run it for like 30 minutes or so. And it should clean the system.
Okay.
There's no chlorine now.
No.
No chlorine, yeah, just well water. So it really, to operate this, it's these 2 switches here, right?
Yep.
So if we want water to come out this long hose down here, we leave this open.
Yep.
And that one open.
Yep.
Always open.
If we don't want it to come out of this long one, but we want it to come out up here,
You still leave that close.
you leave this one closed,
Okay, shut up.
that one open,
Right.
and then it'll feed it to there. Okay.
Yeah, see the water is already clear. A little bit clear.
Yeah, it's getting clean now.
Welcome.